Let's take them outside.
So what we're gonna do is just cover this pipe with this. So supposedly you just open it up, like because this is bigger than my pipe, or the faucet, I'm just gonna wrap it around like that. Trying to get it nice and snug. There you go. Easy. Covered in snow, but this is completely dry. It is currently 10 degrees outside, so I can confirm that these absolutely work. We just took 10 inches of snow in Louisiana, and our pipes are working just fine.
Well, I live in Louisiana, and when I heard it was going to snow here, I realized that we did not have a way to protect the pipes. I jumped on Amazon and I ordered these, the Actgan Outdoor Faucet Covers. It's an Amazon's Choice product with 3,000 people who purchased them last month. They do come in 1, 2, or 6 packs, and they did have multiple different sizes. There are 3 layers. So the outside is 420 denier Oxford fabric. Then there is a cotton layer in the center, and then the inside is like an insulated aluminum foil. They are windproof, waterproof, insulated, and reusable year after year. They are good all the way down to -5 degrees Celsius or -23 degrees Fahrenheit. These are the 8 by 6.5 inch ones. But if you're new here, hi, I'm Raphaela. If you're enjoying this video, subscribe for more honest product reviews for home and family Amazon finds. I'm trying to grow this channel to 1K before St. Patty's Day, so we get to be little smart cookies together. Okay, back to the video. Let's say if you're looking for an easy, cost-effective way to protect your outdoor pipes during freezing temps, grab these faucet covers, and for around $3.50 a cover, it's an impossible price point to beat. Grab them and have them ready for the next deep freeze, because I'm sure this will not be the last time. That's a wrap, and I'll see you smart little cookies in the next one. Bye-bye.